2, 1, 0.
Welcome everybody. This is Kamachi from NumberRoyale. We are welcoming Emerald, Ritish, Srinidhi, Ratna MJ, Guhan. Emerald is Man, Star, Cool Man, and Cool Math, Guhan, Sairam, Kyle, and Sri, and welcoming all the members and say hi to everybody also. And today's match is all correct, and that means you have to solve the problem correctly. It doesn't matter whether you are matching the answer with others or not, so you had to answer that correctly. And then the price is $3, and that is the rule. You can use 2 lives for the show, and then you cannot use a live on the last question. So that's the rule on that one. So I hope you all know about that. And before we start, I have a small riddle for you. What is black when it's clean? And it is white when it's dirty. Okay? When it's a blackboard. Sujata said blackboard and Richard also said blackboard. That is the right answer. So very good. So with a good mood, let's start question number 1. Desired result is 3. Given numbers are 8, 1 and 4, and the given operators are plus and minus. The number of possible solutions is 4. It has 4 possible solutions. And so 8 minus 4, 4 minus 1, that is an answer for that. So I hope everybody is solid. Everybody will be on board for the second question. Okay. So 45 of you answered it, and the 3 possible solution was given. And so 45 of you moving on to question number 2. Desired result is 9. The given numbers are 32, 5 and 3. And the possible solution is only 1. And then the operators are plus, minus, and the division in there. Sri said smartboard. Smartboard won't, I don't know whether it will come to that category. Smartboard won't is not be the answer. Blackboard is the answer. Okay. 21 of you answered. There is a division was involved in there. 32 minus 5 divided by 3 equal to 9. Okay. So 21 of you moving on to question number 3. Desired result is 52. Given numbers are 1, 4 and 13. Their given operators are plus, minus and multiplication. And the number of possible solutions is 12. So don't worry about it if you lost it. So we have a show every day. So you practice enough. You come back tomorrow and try to get some lives also. That will help. Okay. So 24 of you solve this question. Since it has a 2 multiplication was involved. 13 times 4 times 1. Okay. That's equal to 52. So move on to question number 4. Desired result is 60. The given numbers are 12, 6, 1 and 13. And the given operators are plus, minus and multiplication. And the number of possible solutions is 18. So it has 18 possible solutions. So how do you do that? 60 is there. 6 times 10. 21 of you solved it. So it's a 12 times 6 subtracted by 13 and then add 1 on that. That's 60. So the critical is 6 times 12. That is the critical point on that. Okay. So 21 of you moving on to the next question. Question number 5. Desired result is 1.6. The given numbers are 4.1, 9.125, 1.5, 5.125. The given operators are plus and minus. And the number of possible solutions is, it has a 90 possible solutions. all he had to do is come with the 1, and that is a correct one. Okay, 9 is there, 5. So subtract from the bigger numbers. So we want smaller one. 1.5 is already there. Can we get 0.1 somewhere? 22 of you solved it. That's great. So 22 of you. Moving on to the next question, question number 6. The desired result is 72. The given numbers are 7, 1, 14 and 5. The given operators are plus, minus and multiplication. Number of possible solutions, it has 10 possible solutions in there. So 72 is there. Multiplication is must in this one. So when we are solving these questions, we're working with the children. One of the problem, it took me 2 hours to solve it. Wow, it is only 2 places. Oh, I'm sad to see that only 2 players solve it. So there's a multiplication. 14 minus 1 is 13 times 5 and then added by 7. Okay, so that's 72. So we have only 2 players. I hope you all have some lives in there. So let's move on to question number 7. Desired result is 56. Given numbers are 15, 6, 20 and 14. And the given operators are plus, minus and multiplication. Number of possible solutions is 8. Yeah, it happens to me also, Srinidhi. So I got an answer at the last minute, but the time's out. So that's where I realized that I need a more practice. So that way I can train my mind to think a little bit faster than what it was right now. Okay. 7 players, very good. 5 of you, looks like 5 of you or more use the lives on it. So 7 players at this point. The 7 players, the 15 times 6 is a critical point on this one. And subtract by 20 and then another subtraction 14 is equal to 56. So let's move on to next question. Question number 8. Desired result is 9 by 8. Given numbers are 1 by 4, 3 by 8, 1 by 2. And the given operators are plus and minus. And the number of possible solutions is 12. So you have 12 possible solutions and you have a 9 by 8. So these fractions are is a very easy common denominator was given. So if we have instead of 1 by 2, if we are given 1 by 3, then it makes the difficulty of the fraction problems. So Ritish got it, host Kausalya got it. 10 of you, that's great. 10 of you solve the questions, and so 10 of you moving on to our final question. Desired result is 3. The given variables are 2x, 3x, and 18, and the given operators are plus and minus. Number of possible solution is 4. Siddharth said 1. That's good. Ritesh also 1. Kausalya got it. Tejas, Ritesh is ashamed. Everything. And somebody was mentioning change the language. The numbers doesn't have any language. Even though you change the language in the keyboard, you still can play. That is the beauty of this game. So this is universal language. So if the KPM says 3 is the value, so the variable value is 3. 8 players won this problem. So 8 of you as crowning, we are crowning you all as NumberRoyals today for the show. Let's see their name. So 8 of you sharing $3.38 each. Chacha, Siddharth, Numbers Guy, Ritish, Sujata, Kuku, Aji, and Kausalya. Congratulations to all the winners, not only the winners, all the players. And keep up the good work, keep practicing it. Make sure you have the lives. And also be safe, okay? Be safe and have a very good day. Remember, without number, you are not even a zero. Be a hero. Play NumberRoyals every day. Thank you. Bye-bye.